Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Uh, Off the bat, I'd just like to say I know I took a little hiatus last week, but I'm back. I just wanted to take a week off of filming. Life was a little hectic, but I'm back. I'm not going anywhere. And today I have a super exciting video for everyone. I just got, I think like 2 minutes ago, I ran back here. It is 12:07 on Sunday, uh, May 30th? Yeah, May 30th. I just ran back here and set up my little filming session because I got my seasonal surprise box. Okay, so we're gonna do an unboxing. I don't know anything that's inside of here, besides the 2 sneak peeks they gave. Um, I I peeked on my last one and I knew what was inside of it. I bought the spring, so this is my second seasonal surprise box. I bought the spring one. I filmed a review, but I didn't want to upload it because I knew what was inside of it. It just wasn't that fun for me. So this one, I don't know what's inside of here except what they did leak. And I'm excited. Let's just get into it. I can't wait anymore. If you can see, I didn't even take the tape off, so I do not know what's inside of here. So yeah, let's get started. I love buying these, guys. I think they're so cool. I mean, I have horrible FOMO. I hate like feeling like I'm gonna miss out on something. So this is just a nice little thing to buy and treat myself every season. But yeah, I'm sure a lot of you guys feel the same way. So let's just get into it. And then I don't know if I can show you the box. I don't know if you can see what that says, but it says there shall be eternal summer in the grateful heart. And the box is super pretty. I love the ombre. This tells you what's inside, so we're going to set that off to the side. And let's get started. Oh! Okay, so off the bat, I'm seeing a little planning pad, which is super cool and fun. I have the one we received in the last seasonal surprise box right here, and I love it. I haven't used it much because I do have a daily planner, but I mean, I love getting these in the boxes. I think they're really nice and I would never buy something like this for myself, so they're a nice way to, try these things out. And then I am planning on buying the agenda for next year as my daily planner. I'm going to hold off on the petite, so I will be buying the agenda. And I love that these, from, what I've been seeing on other people's reviews, can slide in the back slot there. So I like having another one of those. And it looks like there's a little habit tracker down here. There's some actions. So this is a daily planning pad. This is a weekly because it's this week's focus and some notes and a habit tracker. So that's really nice. I love that. Oh, okay, I'm so excited. So we got a cover, and last one we didn't get a life planner cover, and I mean that's one of the major reasons I hadn't bought let's move all this out of the way. I feel like it's kind of distracting. But one of the reasons I hadn't bought a seasonal surprise box prior to the spring one was because I knew that they included these sometimes. They included the covers, and when I first started out in Erin Condren, only used the petite planner, and I never thought I would use a life planner, so I'm like, it's kind of a waste for me. But now that I have a life planner, I love the fact that, I've been waiting. I was kind of hoping that we would get one in the spring surprise box, but we didn't, and I'm so happy to see that we have one, and it's nice and summery. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. That is so cute. I love that they included the summer pattern on the inside. It looks like to be some type of gunk right there. Oh, it came off easy. Okay. But yeah, that's really cute. I kind of wish we were able to personalize though. I don't know if that's just me. I mean, I know, okay. I know the one I got on my planner for next year I did not personalize, but this one I feel like kind of needs that personalization. I don't know. It's cute either way, and I'm super happy to have it. It's a really cute pattern, and I might on my plan with me for this week, I might put this one on. I was planning on using this cover because it's kind of my only like colorful one, but I feel like this one goes with summer coming this month. So yeah, that's super cute. Next up, this was one of the sneak peeks, so I knew this was coming. And this is just a multicolor pen. And let's open her up and see how she writes. It's a plastic barrel, which of course, I mean, these pens were my childhood. I don't know about anyone else, but I always loved these pens growing up. So I'm going to grab a quick notebook. This is just one I bought from Target recently. All right. So this color is the gray. It writes nice. And I love the design. Mid-century circles all the way, guys. This is the blue. You'd think it would write like a light sky blue, but it's actually like just a normal pen blue. This is the orange. This is the red. And the purple. It's nice to have. The ink isn't my favorite because I love gel pens, but I mean, again, I didn't miss out on this beautiful purchase. So that is super nice. Okay. Moving on. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, guys. This is a pocket journal. I can already see they're going to be coming out with more of these. Even if this style is exclusive, which we'll go over those things after I go through everything, but I know they're going to come out with, if this style is exclusive to the box, I know they're going to be coming out with more like designs, but look at those lines. I love this. Okay, I really love this. Oh, and there's a little page marker. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. I think this is my favorite thing so far. Look at that. I love the ombre. And it says every summer has a story, which is kind of funny because I watched prior, I think it was last year's summer unboxing, and I think that was the quote on, I think it was like the petite journal or the notebook that they gave out with that one. I don't know, but I really like this. That's super cute. And I don't know about any of you, but I feel like this page is always so like high quality in these books. It's like premium because it's just like Erin Condren pocket notebook, and then it has that little, like, that's so cute. I love that page. I don't know, maybe I'm weird. So that is super nice. And then it looks like we have some type of like packing cube, which is super nice. Let's see, it's a little tag. Eternal Summer Packing Cube. That's exactly what it is. This is cute. Okay. I don't know if I'm doing any traveling this summer, but I can definitely find a use for this, even if it's not as a packing cube. Oh, that is so nice. I love this turquoise too. And mid-century circles, I'm so happy. Give me all the mid-century circles. Yeah, that's super nice. It's like, I mean, this material is like super thin, but it's like a nice wipeable material that I feel like could be really good for swimsuits at the beach, like wet sweat. Well, I don't know because the water would come through here, Would be good for like toiletries when you're traveling. I don't know, that's super cute and unexpected. And next, it looks like we have some postcards, which that is really cute. Create your own sunshine. Oh, those are so cute. I really want to send these. I've never sent a postcard. There shall be eternal summer and the grateful heart, and that's like a rose gold foiling. This one's a gold. Kindly deliver to return address. And then this one. I love this print. It's all over the outside of the box, so that's super cute. Those are really adorable, and they really make me want to send a postcard. I really want a pen pal. Like, I want to, like, someone to send letters to. I think that would be super fun. Let's see. Ooh, what is this? It doesn't, oh, it's a bookmark. Oh my gosh, I love this, guys. They just, like, elevated an ordinary bookmark with this little chain here. And look, you could use it for something else because you could just, like, clip that off. And this is giving me major throwbacks to the sunglasses and mask chain. Anyone else? Oh my gosh, I really love this bookmark, guys. This is super cute. Every summer has a story. And I've been wanting to go buy a new book to start reading. So if you guys have any suggestions for like a good murder mystery or romance novel, leave them down below because I'm looking for a book to read, and now I want to go buy a book at Barnes and Nobles and read one just because of this. Next, looks like we have some sticker sheets, which I love sticker sheets. And this is super cute. Okay, let's see. I love getting stickers. I subscribe to their sticker subscription club as well. And I just love having a huge sticker collection. I'm slowly but surely building up my collection. And these are adorable. I don't know where I'm going to use them at, but I will find a use. So it looks like these are just a whole bunch of deco, like on the outside of the box and on the Life Planner cover. Super cute. And then we have some washi strips and some other little functional flags and goodies. And then, oh, those are so pretty. I love the foiling. Erin Condren does an amazing job at her foiling. Oh my gosh, that is so cute, guys. I'm in love with everything so far, which is so amazing. I think this is a really great box. And I believe I'm just seeing one last item, which was a sneak peek, and that is this pencil case. Silicone tray pencil case. So let's open her up. Oh, and it kind of like opens up into a tray form. So that's really nice. Okay, let's see. What is this? Oh. Oh, I think you can, let's see here. No. I don't know. I don't know. I guess I don't understand this. Like the reason to unsnap that. I don't know. It's cute. It's like a silicone feel. So it's like that soft rubbery feel. I don't know. I'm sure a lot of you know what silicone feels like. It's really cute. Oh, I guess it's so it can really sit like a tray. Yeah, that's what it's for. I can put some like washi tapes in there. And my metal ruler. That is super cute. Okay, and that was everything. So there's nothing else in the box, and we can take this out. And I will be, my box isn't in the worst condition, so I will be flipping that. I still have my last box. Actually, right here. I love this box, guys. This box is so gorgeous. I love the holographic foiling and the gorgeous lilac color and all the mid-century circles. This is so cute. Okay, so now I need to find the paper right here. So let's see. All right. So the sticker sheet trio is exclusive and they retail for $7.50. And then the Eternal Summer Packing Cube is a sneak peek, which I feel like I knew that. I could have guessed that. Yeah. So that will be retailing for $10. And then the Silicone Pencil Case and Tray is a sneak peek, and it will be retailing for $16. I don't know if I would pay that for this, but I'm glad that I have it. It's super cute. Maybe I'll end up loving it even more. The pocket journal is an exclusive, but like I said, I feel like maybe the look of this is going to be exclusive, like the Every Summer Has a Story. I can see them bringing this to stores. I really can. So just in like a different look, like a different, I don't know what I'm trying to say, guys. The postcard trio is exclusive, but I'm sure they'll probably be bringing postcards to the site. I think that would be a cute thing to do. Like you can pick your, like a kind of like the note cards, you can pick your design of some postcards. 5-color ballpoint pen is a sneak peek. Oh, sorry. Okay, so the pocket journal will retail for $10. The postcard trio is $6.50. The 5-color ballpoint pen is a sneak peek, so you will be able to get your hands on this, and it will retail for $8.50. And like I said, it's not my favorite ink, but I love these pens, so I'm glad I have it just so I can throw it in my bag if I need different colors while I'm on the go. The interchangeable cover is an exclusive, so you will not be able to get this in stores. And it retails for $8, which is, of course, their normal cover pricing. And the beaded bookmark is an exclusive, so you will not be able to get this either. And this was retail for $8.50. And then the weekly focus notepad is an exclusive as well, and that retails for $10. So yeah, guys, that is everything. I really love this book. I really loved this box. Everything is something that I know I will get use out of, so that's always an amazing feeling. And yeah, I mean, my thoughts on this, I know I'm in like a Facebook group, and I haven't been looking at any sneak peeks, like I said, but I know a lot of people said that they didn't love this box. I loved it. I don't know. Everything in here is something that I will use, and I feel like it's definitely worth the money. I mean, if you're on the fence about getting a seasonal surprise box, I would say go for it. I mean, yeah, you'll get your hits and misses, but I mean, at the end of the day, at least you can always find something in these boxes that you will use and you will love. And I think that makes it worth it for me, in my opinion. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button if you did, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one.